Collmer, and I'm a business consultant. I specialize in business development through relationships. And today I have with me Kevin McGregor. He's a financial advisor. And we wanted to share with you about my Room Full of Referrals program. And that's based on behavioral styles, and we utilize the DISC behavioral style assessment and really find out what are those most dominant behavioral styles in each of the people who attend, and how we can interact and connect with the different behavioral styles in our day-to-day life, in our business life, when we're out there networking, meeting people, and even with clients, to be able to have that better communication and understand where people are coming from so we can serve them at a higher level. So that's just a brief overview. It's actually a really fun program, very interactive, and Kevin has attended, so I wanted to bring him on. He's what we call a nurturer. So Kevin, share with us maybe what did you learn about being a nurturer? What were some of the things that resonated with you about the nurturer profile?
Well, originally I thought I was an examiner, but during the process of the class I realized that nurturer was really my dominant style. And I think what it was for me was I realized that I like to make everybody feel comfortable. So that's more of a nurturer characteristic.
Beautiful. So, and you do. I actually experienced that with you. You definitely make people feel comfortable. So that resonated with me about who he is as well. And what did you learn that was useful in your business?
Well, learning about all the different behavioral styles taught me how to approach each person in the sales process. So, for example, originally I thought if an examiner came to me and was asking lots of questions, I took offense to it a little bit at first, thinking that they didn't trust me. But once learning about the styles, I realized that's just the way they are. They need more information to make a decision, so they ask lots of questions. So I guess what the class has taught me is how to approach the different styles from a sales point of view.
Beautiful. Yes. And tell me a little bit about dealing with a go-getter, because that's your opposite.
That's my opposite. So with go-getters, I found that I was trying to give them too much information, and they had already made the decision, and I was still trying to give them information. So basically what I learned with go-getters is to stop trying to sell to them once the sale's been made.
Beautiful. And was going through the program one time enough?
No, it wasn't, because it takes a lot of time to learn the different styles and to try to identify what style each person is. So what I actually did was I took the class once, then I read the book based on the class, then I took the class again. And when I was going through the class the second time, that's when it really clicked for me.
Awesome. And anything else you want to share with people who might be considering taking the program?
Well, I think it's a good thing for teams to do, because if everyone on the team learns the behavioral styles, when you're working with clients or prospects, you can tell someone else on your team, I'm working with this person and they're an examiner, and that lets the other person on the team know how to approach the person. So I think it's important that everyone on a team takes the class so that they can all speak the same language.
That's really great. Very helpful, useful information. Thank you for being here with me today, Kevin. Thank you for sharing.
Thanks for having me.
Yes, and if you are interested in more information on Room Full of Referrals or any of my other workshops, please visit my website at contracosta.asentiv.com. And we look forward to seeing you at a networking or educational event soon.